Good morning, friends. This evening session is dedicated to one of the most significant topics that we are now discussing these days. The month of November has been declared as Janjati Mahotsav Divas. We are commemorating 75 years of Indian independence, and to mark the celebration, the government of India has declared week long festivals and celebrations which will begin to mark the memory of the great unsung tribal heroes who sacrificed their lives for the country. Without them, the commemoration of 75 years of Indian independence will never be complete this year. Therefore, in order to acknowledge their contribution in the India's struggle for freedom against the colonial rule, we are going to have a week-long celebration. One of the most charismatic among the tribal leaders was Bhagwan Birsa Munda from the Munda community in the present-day Jharkhand. He organized and led the tribal movement, giving a call for the revolt against the colonial rule. It was Bhagwan Birsa Munda who mobilized the tribal communities to fight against the colonial rule. He declared revolt against the colonial rule. It was he who really mobilized the entire tribal communities and led them to go for a movement, giving a call for Ulgulan, that means revolt. In order to acknowledge their contribution, the contribution of the tribal leaders in the freedom movement or in the struggle against the colonial rule, the government has declared November as Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. The month of November has been declared by the government of India as Janjatiya Gaurav Divas, and we are commemorating 75 years Indian independence in the theme of the contribution of the great tribal leaders in the freedom movement and in the independence of our country. To honor the contribution of such great tribal communities, we are organizing several debates and discussion. It also happens to be the birth anniversary of the great tribal freedom fighter Bhagwan Birsa Munda, whose role in the freedom struggle changed the course of modern India's history. It was he who mobilized the tribal communities against the British rule, forcing them to introduce laws protecting the land and the rights of the tribal for their land. The various Janjatiya's leaders rose in revolt against the colonial forces. It is a matter of pride for all of us that there are 700 tribal communities all across our country, and the role of the tribal communities cannot be undermined. It is they who have really been, significant in preserving, protecting, and developing the sustainable development so far as the environment is concerned. The tribal communities of the nation have always been struggling to protect the forest, preserve the environment, and develop a sustainable, and development. The environment could not have been so greenery had the tribal communities of our country not been conscious enough to protect their forest and to preserve their cultural heritage through art and craft. The art and craft of the tribal communities across the nation can be a talk of the global scenario. The art and craft of the tribal communities, particularly from our, state Jharkhand, has been in exhibition across the global festivals in the world. The communities have enriched the country's cultural heritage through their traditional art and craft. They have played a leading role in the promotion promotion, protection, and conservation of the environment. They are the torch bearer of the protection and preservation of the environment. We can acknowledge their contribution in this area. They have always been the guidelines for the sustainable development. The Constitution of India has made a special provisions for the protection of tribal culture and the development of scheduled tribes. Had they not been there in larger communities in our country, we should not have been talking about the sustainable development, the protection of environment, the forest and the greenery is just because of the role of the tribal communities. So let us acknowledge their contribution in the freedom struggle of our country and salute them, all those who have been in the limelight of the freedom struggle. We cannot forget these leaders because they have a great role. They have played a great role contributing their, I mean, most important time and leading the nation. They are the leading the nation to the independence. They are the unsung warriors of the nation. People may not have known many of them. Their names are unknown. That is why I am calling them the unsung warriors. But Birsa Munda is known all over the world for his able contribution in leading the entire tribal communities and mobilizing them against the colonial rule, against the British rule. And because of his great contribution, today the tribal communities have been given the constitutional right to protect their land and their forests. So that is what I wanted to talk about. Let us, contribute. Let us, help them grow and preserve their culture and traditions, because it is one of the significant sign and characteristics of the diversity of Indian culture. Thank you. Have a nice